is character formation. County. Let's ensure that all students come to any level of academic, whether it's in primary, from Azana CD, we start educating them and we ensure that majority of them, or all of them, if possible, they are going to the scouting because they develop character better than any form of training. Discipline is indicated at that stage. So let's encourage scouting, let them our parents to support our students, to support our people, to become advanced scouts, so that they can have a better career character, they can have a better character development, because that's very formative stage when they're able to understand who they are. I'm happy because now already the youth are aware of the challenge. The village has like mass. Drug, alcohol abuse, substance abuse is a monitor that can finish the generation.
My name is Muthi. Scout Council. We are very happy with the work that is being done by our teachers, and we know the things that they impact to our students, to our young boys and girls, and especially on issues to do with drugs and substance abuse. They are doing a commendable job because I believe those practices are reducing, and it can only be done, they can only be better if we train our boys and girls to be responsible.
It's the responsibility of all of us to ensure that we are able to sustain our environment. By doing just a few things, let's manage our waste, let's grow our trees. Don't just plant. Plant and make sure you can see it grow to harvesting, right?